Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, December 18th. So, what's going on with forexfactory.com? News? Well, we've got some 830 red numbers. CPI year over year was less than expected. That's a good thing. 3.1 expected, only at 2.7. So, that's in the right direction. So, that is a good thing. Unemployment claims 224,000 expected, 224,000. Uh, I I don't believe that number, but it is what it is. It's not good. It's not bad. It's just yeah. It's one of those government numbers that is definitely prone to revisions and manipulation. Let's just say it like it is. So that being said, looking at the Philly Fed manufacturing report, negative 10.2 versus a positive 2.5 expected. Not good. As tells us manufacturing is not doing well. It's in retraction, at least in the Philly Fed region. So not a good number. 8:45 with European ECB press conference. They also had a rate discussion earlier around 8:15, and this will be the actual press conference. We should watch that because worldwide inflation rates are important. At 10:30, we have natural gas storage, and at 4 p.m., we have the tick long-term purchases number. So that is all we've got for the U.S. Today, Thursday. So moving on, looking at the uh, daily chart. So we have broken down the downside of this bull flag. That's yesterday. However, we're gapping up today. I wanted to show you something really quick. So this line here is the last move down that we had. It measures that last move down. It's called market geometry. And I'm going to that high right there to see how far, if the move is the same, how far could it go? So there's the projection as to where it could go. So kind of interesting. Where could it go? Just based on numbers, that low volume node that's just above us here at 68.72. And I would say this low volume node underneath 67.38. That's kind of the frame that I would be looking at. That's the certainly able to do that based on the range. We are now below the 50 and the 20-day moving average. That's starting to look a little bearish. Uh, Still got the 200-day down here. Volume was as expected, not what we want to see, but still rollover week, and volumes are not completely shifted to the March contract. In the very short run, we are in a downtrend. I would say in the intermediate, we are sideways, maybe sideways to down. In the long run, we are up. So there you have the long term, midterm, and short term. Inventory was negative on the negative down move. Nothing to write home about there. Things seem to be working. The market is acting like it should. Looking at the overnight, here you can see where that 815 ECB rate number, as well as the 830 move on the CPI number. So it is starting to pull back a little bit. Where is support and resistance? So we've got some resistance on the top side. I'm going to call this 68.42-ish. There's a little bit of confluence there. 68.50, 68.60, about on the tens. 68.65, 68.71. On the bottom side, where we have support, a little bit of confluence right around 67.91. 6,800 again, big number. We get below that, it's definitely bearish. Stay above it, definitely on the good side to be bearish. I'm sorry, be bullish. A little bit of confluence around the overnight low, 67.70, 67.42. So there you have the support and resistance. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 52.4. 52.4. Slight bias to the upside. That's all I've got for you today. Hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.